Welcome to the Microsoft Ads Training Kit Chapter 28. How to edit existing ad set. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to edit existing ad set, step by step. So let's get started. So from our Microsoft Ads dashboard, select all campaigns and then select campaigns. Select one campaign from the list. Now select ads and extensions. Here you get all your ads. Click on this small edit button. From here you can edit this ad. You can edit link and title, which will be updated here, and then click on Save button. Let's edit another ad. Click on Edit button. From here also you can edit its title, URL and more. So this is how you can edit existing ad set. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 29. Automated Ad Extensions Overview. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at automated ad extensions, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.